gaya musu.
I believe when we start the real presidential campaign, again, we will witness a larger turnout. I want to use this opportunity to welcome our worthy decampees, particularly the former deputy governor and those who held various offices in the last APC administration.
We received over 300,000 decampees into the PDP. To welcome all of them and to assure you that they'll be treated as any other PDP member.
Mambila Hydroelectric Power Station has been on the drawing board for 50 years. For 50 years. And no government has summoned the courage to execute this project. If PDP is elected and I come to be the president, I pledge and promise you Mambila Hydroelectric Power Station will be a reality.
The zone is together, solidly behind you. Nobody is coming here to talk about any division or rancor. We are going to walk behind you, supporting you, believing in you, making sure that you are going to be the Moses that is going to deliver Nigeria. Today you have received people. These people come into the PDP not because of the government and people of Bauchi or the Northeast, but because they believe in.
For updates.